light wash and putting it on. It's going to be a lighter color, and then I'll just use quite a bit of water, which again is risky. This is just paper, but I think I can get it done if I go quickly. Put it on, wipe it off, and it'll just fill in the white spots on there with a lighter blue and get me closer to what I'm looking for color. Alright, I think that's going to be the end of part 1 here. Video's getting kind of long, so we will end part 1 and move on to part 2 on the next day. Have a great night.